A REIT is a collective investment scheme in real estate structured as a trust where an investor owns rights or interests in property in the form of units and earns returns from income or capital gain. REITs are traded like stocks and investors can buy or sell their units. South Africa and Nigeria were the first two African countries to launch real estate investment trusts. Audit firm Ernst & Young rated South Africa as a top performer worldwide after its REIT segment had total returns of 34% over a 3-year period. In a bid to diversify capital markets products from the traditional shares and bonds, the Capital Markets Authority has been keen to introduce REITs in Kenya and has over the years been licensing market intermediaries. Today was a historical day for the country after the launch of Stanlib Fahari I-REIT, which is Kenya's first REIT. The launch makes Kenya the third African country to list REITs on its bourse. The I-REIT will see investors easily bankrolling large-scale commercial, residential or industrial properties.
About 20,000 is reasonable for a Kenyan, an investor who is aspiring to own property, to want to own property. You know, as an individual, it's a bit expensive if you have to go and buy your own property.
The move comes at a time when property as an asset class is underrepresented in the capital market. The Stanlib I-REIT public offer intends to change this and provide investors with a diversified investment platform.
The REIT will be investing in offices, office buildings, in residential units, in retail, which is shopping malls, in warehousing, and there's a major demand for that, in hospitality, in schools, in hospitals.
It will create a new way of investing in real estate in our country, away from the actual real acquisition of property, but now you can acquire property through a unit. In this kind of products.
Like any other listed security, unit holders can sell their holdings or buy more. The launch of the Stanlib Fahari I-REIT is expected to further enhance financial inclusion in the country's capital markets. Melin Miendo, Business Insight.